Hi, this is Mike, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a blog for your Blackboard site. First thing that you want to do is go to the Blackboard site you'd like your blog in, and you need to find the blog tool. And the blog tool, if you still have your tools icon, if you still have your tools menu item rather on the menu, you can click on that to reach it. If you've manipulated your menu and you need to find tools another way, you can either re-add a menu item, or you can find the blog tool down in your control panel. If you wanted to re-add a menu item, just go to the little plus above your menu and select tool link. And I'll create a tool link and I'll call that blog. And then I can go to the content type and I can choose blogs. And I can make that available to users and click submit. So now I've got that blog link, and I can move that anywhere in the menu I'd like just by dragging it, but I'll leave that down here. Click on blog, and that will bring me to the blog menu. All of the blogs that I've got active are going to be on this blog page, but I can create a blog. I'll click create blog. And I can call this sample. I can put some instructions in here if I like. I don't need to. I want to make the blog available, and I can restrict it if I would like for specific dates, but I'm not going to do that. I can choose the blog participation. I can make it individual to all students, or I can make it a course blog. A course blog is just going to group all the students all together in one blog site. The individual to all students will make each student a different blog, so that you can go through each student's work individually. And you can allow anonymous comments if you wanted to. By default, that is checked. You could uncheck that if you like. Okay, so blog settings. You can index the entries monthly or weekly. That really doesn't matter except for searching. And you can set a grade. So if you wanted it to be graded, you could click the grade, give it a points possible, and it will create a column in your grade center for the blog. And that's it. I'll click on submit. And my blog should be created. And now to access the blog, I can just go into sample blog. Well, here, let me check edit mode off so you can see what the students would see. So the students would come and they would see sample blog, and they could click on that. And they could create a blog entry that's going to be up at the top here. I'll click on create blog entry. You can give it a title. If you wanted to have text editor turned on, you could turn on text editor. You can toggle that on and off. Text editor off allows you to cut and paste from Word or something like that. Text editor on is good if you're going to type directly in the message box. And that's basically it. I could post a file if I wanted to as well, attach a file to my entry. Or I could just post the entry or save it as a draft. I'm going to post it. And that's it. I've posted my entry. I can scroll down and I can take a look and see everybody who has posted a blog. I could click on that person's name and go right to that person's blog. And that is how you create a blog and create blog entries and read the people's blog entries.